Hello everyone, welcome to Kavita's Kitchen and Travel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare North Karnataka special girmit. It is very simple to prepare and taste delicious. It is a very good tea time snack. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for new notifications so that you don't miss any new videos. Now let's see what all ingredients we need to prepare this recipe. We need oil, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, red chili powder, turmeric powder, finely chopped tomato, chopped onion. This onion we can use it for masala, finely chopped onion for garnishing, and roasted chana dal powder or putani powder, tamarind juice, asafoetida, finely chopped coriander leaves, jaggery, curry leaves, and finely chopped green chili, salt to taste, and we need puffed rice to make girmit. Let's start the preparation. In a thick bottom pan, add in oil. Once the oil is hot, add cumin seeds, mustard seeds, add curry leaves, finely chopped green chili, asafoetida. Roast it for few seconds. Now it's time to add chopped onion. Roast everything well until onions become soft and translucent. Onions have become soft now. It's time to add chopped tomato. Here I am adding little tomato. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt to taste, jaggery powder. Mix everything well and roast it on medium stove heat for 30 to 40 seconds or until you don't get raw smell of turmeric. Now it's time to add tamarind juice. Here I have taken small lemon-sized tamarind and soaked in water and strain out the water and use that tamarind water in this recipe. Mix everything well and allow it to cook on medium stove heat until oil oozes out from the masala. You can see masala is thickening. Our girmit masala is ready. Switch off the stove and allow it to cool for some time. Now we can prepare the girmit. Take puffed rice or chunmuri in a mixing bowl. Add in prepared girmit masala. This prepared girmit masala, you can store this in airtight container in refrigerator for 3 to 4 weeks. Whenever you would like to prepare girmit, you can mix this masala in chunmuri or murmura or puffed rice. Add finely chopped onion, tomato, finely chopped coriander leaves, and putani powder or roasted chana dal powder. Here I have taken roasted chana dal or putani and make it into a powder. We have to use this powder. Now we have to mix everything well. If it needs some more putani powder, you can add and mix everything well. Our girmit is ready. You can enjoy it with bhaji or some fried green chili. It is very good tea time snack. Our girmit is ready to serve. You can garnish it with finely chopped onion, finely chopped coriander leaves, and some save on top. Save is optional. Please do try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.